Tired of the neon glow? Feeling a little burnt out from all those vibrant hues? You're not alone. Sometimes, it's time to say goodbye to the flashy world of neon and embrace a more muted existence. But how do you actually delete your account? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of saying farewell to neon and reclaiming your digital serenity. Neon, with its vibrant interface and focus on visual expression, can be a powerful tool. But life changes, interests evolve, and sometimes, it's time to move on. Maybe you're tired of the constant notifications, maybe you're concerned about privacy, or perhaps you're simply ready for a fresh start. Whatever your reason, deleting your neon account can feel like a daunting task. But trust me, it's easier than you might think. Now, let's dive into the actual deletion process. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your neon account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Look for a section labeled Account, Settings, or something similar. Step 2. Locate the account deletion option. Within the account settings, you should find an option related to account deletion. It might be labeled as Delete Account, Deactivate Account, or something similar. Click on this option. Step 3. Confirm your decision. Neon will likely present you with a confirmation screen. This screen will typically warn you about the consequences of deleting your account, such as loss of all your data, including posts, messages, and followers. Inability to recover your account or any associated data. Read the information carefully and ensure you understand the implications. Step 4. Enter your password or other security measures. To confirm your deletion request, you'll usually be required to enter your account password as a security measure. Some platforms may also require you to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Step 5. Submit the deletion request. Once you've entered the necessary information and confirmed your understanding, click on the Delete Account or Confirm Deletion button. Step 6. Wait for the deletion to process. After submitting your request, it may take some time for Neon to process and permanently delete your account. The exact processing time can vary depending on the platform. Additional tips. Back up your data. Before deleting your account, consider backing up any important data, such as photos, videos, or messages. This will allow you to preserve your memories even after your Neon account is gone. Check for alternative options. Some platforms offer the option to deactivate your account temporarily instead of deleting it permanently. This can be a good option if you're unsure about leaving Neon completely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.